Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create animated subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro automatically. First, open a new project in Adobe Premiere Pro and import the video to which you want to add subtitles. Next, go to the Window menu, select Text, and click Create Transcription. Premiere Pro will automatically transcribe the audio from your video. Before starting, open the captioning preferences and set maximum length in characters to 20 and minimum duration in seconds to 1.2. I like using single lines, so I will also choose that. Play around with these settings and find the right ones for your video. Once the transcription is complete, click Captions in the text panel, adjust the captions by clicking a text, and fix possible errors by hand. Now, let's style your subtitles. Open the Essential Graphics panel, select the caption layer, and apply your desired font, size, color, and background. You can also add effects like shadows or outlines to make your subtitles stand out. Then, from the Graphics and Titles menu, click Upgrade from Captions to Graphics. To animate your subtitles, select the caption layer in the timeline. Go to the Effects Controls panel and add keyframes to properties like position scale or opacity. This will create animations such as fade-ins, slide-ins, or zoom effects. For this example, let's choose the first graphic. From the Effect Controls panel, under Vector Motion, click on the stopwatch icon next to Scale, set the starting keyframe to 90. Move forward 3 frames and set scale to 110. Finally, move 1 frame forward and set the scale to 100. To apply this to every other graphic, click on the Vector Motion and copy it. Then, choose all of the graphics and paste them into them. Fine-tune the timing and position of your subtitles to ensure they match the dialogue perfectly. You can adjust the duration of each caption and move them around in the timeline for better synchronization. Finally, preview your project to make sure everything looks great. If you're happy with the result, export your video to File, Export, and Media, choose your preferred settings, and hit Export. And that's how you automatically create animated subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.